So the water inside the dishwasher wasn't emptying. Well, rather it was emptying, but slowly overnight it started to fill up very slowly in the bottom of the tray. So after watching quite a few YouTube videos, I finally discovered that right at the back is this. And what I did, I turned off the water, of course, then I disconnected the power and I removed this from here, and after that I took this out, little clip here, a little bit dodgy, but you do manage to get it out. Then eventually I found this, and I've located a similar one on the internet for £30, so I'm going to replace this water inlet valve. One thing worth noting is that although I was able to move the clip up the pipe, I could not get the pipe off the valve. So in the end I had to cut the pipe just below the end of the valve and then just take it off. So hopefully there will be enough left on there for me to be able to reconnect the new valve. Well, this one arrived today from Amazon, so let's see what happens when we fit it. And there it is, completed. Now I did have trouble getting this on. The tube didn't want to go into the pipe, so I put a little bit of silicone grease on it, that's all will do, and then I actually warmed up the pipe with the hairdryer just to get it flexible, and eventually I managed to get the tube into the pipe. So now it's just a matter of putting this on, and hey presto. Oh, one little thing though, I've had to remove this from the collar before I can put this plastic on. Just one thing to bear in mind. It's easy to do. Okay, finished off with a little bit of PTFE tape, and that should hopefully stop the water from leaking.